Hello everyone, let's dive into the AULA F99 wireless mechanical keyboard. This keyboard aims to be a versatile option for gamers, students, and professionals alike, packing a ton of features into a compact form factor. First off, connectivity is a major highlight. The AULA F99 offers tri-mode connectivity, meaning it can connect via Bluetooth 5.0, a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, or a USB-C cable. The ability to switch between up to 5 devices is incredibly convenient, making it easy to transition from a PC to a tablet or even a gaming console. The keyboard features a mechanical key feel, which is a significant step up from standard membrane keyboards. The switches are pre-lubed linear ones, offering a smooth and consistent key press. For those who like to tinker, the AULA F99 is hot swappable, meaning you can easily replace the switches without soldering. This opens up a world of customization, allowing you to fine-tune the keyboard's feel to your exact preferences. Aesthetically, the AULA F99 sports a blue, white, and black color scheme. It also features RGB backlighting, which can be customized to create various lighting effects. The backlighting adds a touch of flair to the keyboard, making it visually appealing, especially in low-light environments. Beyond the core features, the AULA F99 includes programmable keys, allowing you to create custom macros and shortcuts. This would be a huge time saver for tasks like video editing, programming, or even everyday use. The keyboard also has an integrated stand, which can be used to prop up a tablet or smartphone. The AULA F99 is compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, PCs, tablets, smartphones, and gaming consoles like Xbox and PlayStation. This makes it a truly versatile keyboard that can be used in a variety of settings. In conclusion, the AULA F99 wireless mechanical keyboard offers a compelling combination of features, connectivity options, and customization potential. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a versatile and affordable mechanical keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.